Hi guys, it's Drakiss and this is Get Ready With Me. And so this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing for R&B night. And so I haven't did like a Get Ready With Me, like makeup and stuff in a while. So I decided to do one. So this is the infamous, my favorite Fenty Beauty eyeshadow, which I love, y'all. So I'm going to start by putting it underneath my eye, which is like the gold color. And I'm actually kind of like rushing a little bit because I'm trying to get out of here. So it's put gold underneath my eyes like so. And then, alright, so I'm back. I got my makeup bag to finish my makeup, but I wanted to show you guys one of the books I've been reading, which is the 12 Laws of the Universe, which is really good. One of my favorite books, a really quick, easy read. But one of my favorite laws is the law of action. Manifestation requires aligned actions. You must take action to get results. Sitting on your butt and thinking about things in the reality is good, but manifestation won't work like that. Although vibration is a big piece of the puzzle, it takes inspiration and action to get real results. The key word is expired action, and expired action is an action that aligns with what you are really passionate about. You will know it because the job should be challenging but enjoyable. It will not bring in a sense of struggle with frustration and anxiety. So that's just a little piece. And then I want to read, your desires are brought to you via thought, and you receive them by deciding to take action. And I'll go more in detail about that, but I just wanted to kind of share with you guys what I've been reading, my new book that I've been kind of tuning into. And so now we're back to the eyeshadow, my favorite. So yeah, basically take action, right? It's one thing to think about what you want to do and have a plan, and then another thing is to actually execute the plan, right? So to me, that's what law of action means. And actually, I'm just fact checking to make sure. It is the law of action. Yeah, the law of action. See, the law of action. Okay. So, which I thought was awesome. Awesome. Inspired action is that gentle integrity as well, and also closely related to the law of attraction. The law of action is all about taking real actionable steps to invite what we want into our lives. So taking the steps that's needed to make your dreams come true. Hi guys, it's Drakiss and it's R&B night, and we are on our way to an event. I already started a little bit, and I don't know if the other video is going to work, but I put the gold already under my eyes. And then you guys know this is my favorite color. Awesome. So always kind of do the same makeup routine. I don't really deviate from that. I put the color, and then I put some here on my nose, and then I do my cheeks like so. I smile. I bring it up like so. Voila. And then this is the Cosmic Reality, my favorite. just do a little bit around like there. And actually, what we're gonna do is take off the head wrap as well. We're doing a pony, and I'm trying to like fix myself here. And the next thing we're gonna do, I got some new makeup, and this is the Anastasia, guys, which is my favorite makeup. I have number 12. They have the buy one, get one free. So click the shopping cart, buy it now. This is Anastasia Beauty. So if you're around my complexion, 12 is good, also 11. If you're a little darker, shade darker, 13 will work for you as well. So those are the new ones that came in for me, and I wanted to show you. These things last forever. I promise you, I already had this for 6 months, almost damn near a year. And look how much I have left, and I ordered 2 more because they had a special buy one, get one free. So hit the shopping cart, and look, I still have so much left. And it doesn't take a lot. You just do a little bit. Only do a little bit. I don't need a whole lot. It don't take a lot. And then I do like that, like so. So if you love some Anastasia, click the shopping cart. Very cute, fit in your bag. And I'm gonna just rub that in. Very lightweight. It goes good, blend in with your skin. It's like you're like not wearing makeup, which is what I like. I like wearing stuff that it doesn't look like I have on makeup, you know? So click the shopping cart, buy now. Anastasia, click the link. Bye, ciao. Stay tuned, next video, bye. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm rubbing in the makeup. Like, it literally just melts on your skin. Like, it really does. And then I always, like, moisturize your skin. Like, that's the key to having good skin, is keeping your skin moisturized. Okay? Gotta keep moisturized. And this is what I use. The vitamin E. Put drops on my face to keep my face for definitely looking youthful. It's all about moisturizing. And I live in the sauna as well. So you want to have good skin. Drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Moisturize. I'm gonna do a little bit more. See? Okay. Really simple. I don't do a whole lot. Like, literally, that's it. Right? Then I'm going to go in with the ultimate. This. Fix myself. And I'm going to show you guys my shoes. So these are my heels that I'll be wearing for tonight. They're green, so it's a green theme for tonight for the Drake release party. And the next thing is, yeah, take my hair down, which I always love for the ponytail. See that? Cute. Okay, let me see. Do the other one. I just roll them up like I do, and then look. All right, so hopefully it works. I'm having a little phone difficulty, so hopefully the videos will come through fine. So I'm just making them shorter and trying to separate my curls. See? And then I gotta fix this because, like, Jesus, it's crazy. Okay, that looks better. All right, guys, that's it. My heels, these are aloe heels, which I love, size 7.5, but I feel like when you get older, your feet gets like bigger or something. So I feel like I need an 8, but we're gonna make them work. Bye, ciao. Catch me out later in the city. Ciao, bye. All right, so I'm gonna add the final pieces to the wardrobe, which you guys know is my favorite headband to finish the look. To finish the look. Oh. Okay. My curls. I just literally did the roller pin. And I'm off and I'm ready to go. Very cute. Fix myself. Adjustment. And I was also reading the 12 Laws of the Universe. Really, really good book, guys. I really think if you have time, very quick read. It's not very long, but it really goes over all the 12 different laws that are really helpful through your journey to kind of help you stay focused. And one of my favorite laws that I want to tell you guys about is the law of action. I don't know if my other videos, it kind of got cut off, so I'm doing it really quickly again. The law of action, manifestation requires aligned action. And one of the quotes that I like in this book, in reference to the law of action, is your desires are brought to you via thought, and you receive them by deciding to take action. So any successful person will tell you that their success is accompanied by a lot of blood and sweat and tears. There is not to scare you, but to motivate you. Writers often say that hours go by unnoticed when they are writing because their work is labor of love. The work hard, but they did not suffer. Their actions may or may not become bestsellers. In fact, they may never see the light of day. Achievement lies not in the results, but in what they have learned in the process. When you are consistent with what you really want, the work will not seem difficult. You just have to keep going and pursue. All right? So that's food for thought. Get this book. It's by this person. I don't know the name. All right? So stay focused, take action, and go after your dreams. Keep going. You got it. Bye. Okay, so the last part, I'm running late as usual, but these are my favorite perfumes. This is really nice. The Versace, very elegant smell. I love this. Is probably my favorite. I'm gonna spray. Get ready. They say you shouldn't like spray this on your like self because perfume is probably like not good for you because what's in it. My other favorite is the Chanel. This is like one of the newer ones. I don't know. Oh, this smells good too. Oh my gosh, I don't spray my freaking. Woo! All right, bye. Stay tuned.